and welcome to MFC Online. In today's video, we will be talking about parts of a leaf. Here we have our leaf. And you know, the leaves, like the rest of the plant body, are made up of little itty bitty cells, like little bricks. And it is in these bricks, or little cells, where the leaf makes its food. In order for this part of the leaf to be spread out so it gets as much sun as possible, we have the veins. If you look here, you can see this really thick vein that cuts through the center of the leaf. That is known as the primary or the midrib vein. The veins that are going through the side over here and over here help to spread this part of the leaf out. This flat part of the leaf that gets spread out is known as the blade or the lamina. So the veins spread out the lamina. Now these veins are hollow. They're like pipes, and just like pipes, they carry the water that is brought up by the stem from the roots. But they also carry the food that is made in the cells, and it's carried down to the rest of the plant body. And see this part right here? This longest part, we'll call that the petiole. Now, the petiole helps to turn the lamina or the blade toward the sun. We also have at the very end of the petiole right here, if you can see this itty bitty teeny tiny leaf appendage. This is known as a stipule. Some plants have stipules and some don't. So when you're outside, you can actually go up and look at the leaves and see if you can find out if there's a stipule at the end. All right, let's go ahead and test our knowledge with these leaf nomenclature cards. A blank is the part of the plant that helps make its own food. Most of the time, it has a green color that might change in the fall if the plant drops its leaves. Well, we know out of all the parts of a plant, the leaf is the part that makes the food because a plant eats with its head. Let's place the word leaf here. Next, the blank of a leaf is the entire leaf unit. Sometimes the blade is made up of several smaller leaflets. So this is the part that the veins help to spread out. This is known as the blade or the lamina. So we're going to put these words here. Moving on. The blank is the main vein of the leaf, and it usually runs in the center of the blade from the base of the leaf to the apex. Well, we know that the main vein is known as either the primary or the midrib vein. So we're going to place these words here. On to the next one. The blank is the part that connects the leaf to the rest of the plant. The part that connects the leaf to the rest of the plant is known as a petiole. We'll place the word petiole right here. Last but not least, the blank is the part of the leaf that can usually be found between the stem and the petiole. Not all leaves have a stipule. There it is, stipule. We'll place the word stipule here. And in this picture, the part that is highlighted is this itty bitty section right here. Almost impossible to see from all the way back there. Let's talk about how you can follow up this work. There are 3 different follow-ups that go along with parts of a leaf. First, practice matching the parts of a leaf to their descriptions using the nomenclature cards in class, or the cards that those of you at home should have. You can also read the leaf booklet that goes along with the cards. You can read it to a family member or a friend. Second, explore outside and in your backyard. Collect as many different leaves as you can find. Then, trace, draw, or make leaf rubbings on paper. You can label all the parts of these leaves with the new vocabulary words we learned in this video. Third, and lastly, make your own leaf booklet. This work is actually for next week, so please wait for the booklet making video to get started on your own leaf booklet. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.